hoping one day I'll find a piece of mind by the ocean.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do that trendy foxy eye. So yeah, I already did my base, as you can see. I just kind of went for something like neutral, like sun-kissed, bronzy, I don't know, vibe. That's what I was trying to go for. I thought it would look nice with the eye look. I put my hair in a ponytail because that's what people be doing when they do these videos. And did that little swoop thing with my braids, and then you know the concealer trick where you put like concealer right here and then on your nose and on your lip to like snatch your face. Well, that's what I did because I felt like it'll be a good base before I attempt the look. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be using the Morphe 39A palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's like one of the first like real palettes I invested in, and I use it quite often because it has like every freaking color that you need. So I've watched like a couple videos trying to get like how to do it, and like a lot of people put like brown and black like wings. So I'm gonna do brown. I feel like blacks will be a bit harsh, so I'm just gonna go in. Okay, so I have this little fluffy brush. I'm gonna go and lay like a lighter brown like in this area for something so that the darker color has something to attach to. I don't know what I did with the names, but I'm going in with like a light brown close to my skin tone, and then I'm just gonna run that in the corner here. See, it's not, you can see it, but it's barely there, and I'm gonna wing that out because I have hooded eyes and I have very small eyes, if you can see, so like I have to give myself false space. So you can see the difference, the wing and no wing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other side. Just wing it out a little bit. Well, not a little bit. I'm actually trying to wing it out as much as possible. Like I said, small eye problems, hooded eyes. So I need to create that illusion of space of eyelids because I do not have any. In the real mirror, this is looking fierce already. And I'm just gonna come down and bring a little bit that way. Okay. Do I need more? It's looking pretty. Alrighty, say. But I think I'm just gonna do a little bit more. I hope I don't freaking do it. And then it looks crap. Because you know when you're doing a makeup look and it looks fire, and then you take one mistake and it all goes to crap. It all looks like booty crack. I'm trying not to have that happen in this makeup look. So I really don't want to redo it because my base looks nice. I haven't seen much women of color do this look. That's why I thought I'd try it. Especially since I have hooded eyes. Like if you have hooded eyes out there, this might help you because as you can see, no lid space, but your girl has to make it work. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm just gonna go in with a smaller, like it's like a tapered pointy brush, and then I'm gonna go in for a darker color, and then I'm gonna do the wing going up as far, and then I'm also gonna come and do the inner corner. So let me just do I went in for quite a dark brown. I used that brown actually for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in the corner here, as you can see. And do kind of like a half wing. I don't know if it's coming out. Maybe I do a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, there we go. Kind of go close to your lash line, but not in the middle is apparently the trick to get it super accurate, I guess. I mean, that looks good. So I'm just gonna do the other side. Okay, that looks alright. while I'm here, I'm gonna go back in. Actually, I'll wait till the end to do concealer just in case I make up a mistake again. And I don't want to have to do this concealer more than once because then it's gonna look cakey. Kind of connect this part. That's looking good. I'm just gonna go back with the same brush that I used and put a little bit of that lighter brown and kind of blend this out because I'm not trying to make it look too super harsh. Like it's supposed to be like an effortless look. Like, oh, I just woke up like this and my eyes are snatched, you know? Okay, that's giving me something. That's giving me the vibes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and do like the inner, right there. I'm gonna go in with the same, actually I'm gonna go with a medium brown. And, ooh, I feel like this is gonna be. Okay, you can see, like, it's definitely giving me something. Okay. Oh, I did something different for the side. Why did I do that? Back in with the medium brown. Try to fix my camera. It's giving, and I'm gonna go in and just smoke out my bottom lash line a little bit with like the lightest brown that I used originally for my crease, and just get a little smoky smoke. I think I'm gonna tight line with that brown eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna tight line with that brown eyeshadow as well. Just in the corner, just try to kind of connect everything together. Oh, I just put my finger in my eyeshadow. Okay. I mean, you can't tell me that I look cute. People do like cut up lashes and then like put that just on their outer corner, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm not about to ruin a pair of lashes for this. So I have like these cat eye type lashes. I'm gonna put these on and then come back. So this is the final look, guys. I put on the lashes like I said, and then I put my mascara on my bottom lashes, but just in the corner right here, and then I added this. I don't know why, being extra. But you cannot tell me that my freaking eyes do not look, they're like snatched. They call me Snatchiana. Boom. No, these are, this is a look. Oh, Instagram post. No, look at the eyes though. It was really easy, and that's coming from me. Like, I'm not the best. I'm good at makeup, but I'm not like a pro. Like, you know what I mean? But this looks good. Like, I could be giving some brunch, like snatched. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video. We out here doing looks, turning heads, and slaying the game. But yeah, we are on the road to 500, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.